Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Trust you all are doing good. Today's video I'm going to share with you how I prepare this delicious cucumber stew recipe that tasted super good. This stew is so amazing that you cannot resist. Tasted and confirmed. Hope you try it out, you will never regret it. Watch to the end and let's get started. We are going to start by cooking the meat. Use any protein of your choice. Here I'm using goat meat for this recipe, well cleaned. Add in a pot and season it up with some chopped onions. Alright, go ahead and add in your thyme. Season cubes. Feel free to use any seasonings of your choice. Add some soya sauce, but this is optional. Curry powder, some salt, ginger and garlic paste. Stir, then cover and allow to cook on its own juice for 10 minutes. Minutes later, let's check on the pot. Go ahead and give it a stir and add some water to the level of the meat in the pot. Feel free to adjust for salt or seasonings, okay? Cover and continue cooking until the meat is done. While we are waiting for the meat to cook, let's go ahead and prep the cucumber. Cucumber is packed with lots of nutrients and nourishes the body. So I went ahead to give it a nice wash using some salt. Make sure to clean your cucumber before using.
Belly the turn, stomach the rumble. When there's resin in your belly, my dear.
At this point, the cucumber is well cleaned. You can peel the skin or leave it. Either way is fine. If today is the first time of coming across this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment, and turn on your notification bell for you to be the first to be notified any day, anytime a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, God bless you. Now go ahead and cut and deseed the cucumber.
As long as it goes side belly, you know who to call. Food where they wash and cook, na so son. Enjoy yourself, tabi follow. You don't need to bother yourself, my brother. Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you stay. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. MIRA'S kitchen there for you. And the boss, put score we active.
Now the cucumber is ready. Go ahead and transfer in a blender and blend until it is smooth. Once done blending, pour in the mixture in a cheese bag and squeeze out the juice. At this point, we are done squeezing out the juice. Set aside. Next, transfer the red bell pepper in a blender. It is well cleaned and the seed. Go ahead and add little water, cover and blend until it is smooth. Once done, you set it aside.
Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with. I got your back on this, so anytime, any place where you stay.
Now the red bell pepper is ready. Let's check on the meat. It is done, separate from the stock. Feel free to fry or grill, or you can leave it like this. Yeah, just the way I'm going to be using. Now it's time to start cooking. In a preheated pot, I added some vegetable oil, allow it to heat up. Once that is done, go ahead and add in some salt, then add in your chopped onions and saute for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes now, pour in the blended mixture, stir and keep frying until it reduces in quantity and oil flow to the top of the sauce. And also cook on a medium heat and keep stirring from time to time so it doesn't get burnt. Alright. Once you notice that the sauce is done, go ahead to season it up with any seasonings of your choice. Alright, so I added some crayfish. At this time you need to be generous, honestly. If you are a crayfish lover like me, you will understand. Okay, so I added some curry powder, paprika powder, but this is optional, nutmeg powder. Stir until it is well combined and keep frying for another 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, you can see the oil on top of the sauce. Yeah. So I added the cucumber and the mix until it is well combined. The full list of ingredients will be dropped in the description box below or comment section. Feel free to check it out and enjoy this yummy-licious, tantalizing, delicious recipe. You will love it, honestly. So now I'll be adding in the proteins. Once done, give it a proper stir. At this point, I'm done stirring. I added my ginger and garlic paste and keep stirring. I added some seasoned cubes.
Whatever it might be, it's always a solution. Looking for the perfect kitchen to deal with.
Fresh pepper, add to your taste. Next, I poured in the stock water and keep mixing until it is well combined. So at this point, the stew is too thick. So I went ahead and poured in some of the cucumber juice. Yeah, the juice is not going to be a waste. For the rest, I'm going to drink it later. Feel free to taste for salt or seasonings. Once done, cover the pot and let it cook for another 2 more minutes. Two minutes later, let's check on the pot. Wow! Our cucumber stew is ready. Give it a nice stir and turn off the cooker. Honestly, the stew is so amazing. So amazing. Can you see the color? The aroma from this kitchen? You cannot resist it. So it's time to serve. It can be enjoyed with white rice, spaghetti, or in whichever way you prefer. Honestly, this stew tasted so super delicious that you cannot stop asking for more. Hope you try out this recipe and let us know what you think in the comment section. See you guys in our next one and remain blessed. Bye.